Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're going to start translation now. Connect your Airpods and confirm they're paired and charged. Open the Translate app and pick the 2 languages you need. Once done, grant microphone access so the app can hear both sides, then switch to conversation mode and put the Airpods in. Doing this early makes responses faster and reduces lag. It also routes audio in and out of your ears, which prevents echo and keeps hands free as you begin the live session. Now run the live translation. Tap Start or Conversation and speak normally into your Airpods. You should pause briefly between sentences so the app can process and speak the translated phrase back into your ear. This improves accuracy. If both people switch languages, enable automatic language detection so the app distinguishes who's speaking. Also, make small volume adjustments, and, when in a noisy place, enable noise control or move closer to the finish by ending the conversation, and if the app offers it, save the transcript for review. This helps you keep key phrases. When talking to one other person, hand them the second AirPod or switch to speaker mode for groups so everyone hears translations. If you hit problems, no audio, wrong language, or missed phrases, reconnect Bluetooth, toggle microphone permissions in settings, and make sure both devices have an internet connection. If noise persists, move to a quieter spot and retry. That usually fixes recognition errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.